Hey, this is Flo, and welcome back to the next episode of the 30-day weather app challenge. We will continue working on the design today, and the first thing that we're going to do is refactor the content view a bit. So we can actually take this color here. As you can see, the background is just plain white right now, and that's because of the navigation view and the tab view. So what we can just do is apply a background modifier to the tab view. Oops. Which is a bit too much. Like this, and then just paste the color in there. Do not forget to ignore safe area, otherwise it would be cut, and this would be white as well. So now we don't even need all of this stuff, so we can remove the Z stack completely, remove this line, select all, hit Ctrl I to re-indent it. Now this looks good, and we can actually see the background now. Same thing for the next 7 days. We already have a background here, but what I'm going to do is make this a bit cleaner. So let's also call ignore safe area here. Now this background looks fine as well. Okay. So next thing, city overview. Actually, what I'm going to do here is put in the content view in the preview. So we also have the background and everything. Okay, it looks better. What we're going to do now is work on this information box in the middle and decide upon which content we want to display there. And if we look into the challenge post in the Code Crew forum, you can see we should show current temperature, current feel like temperature, and general weather conditions. And oops, the wrong one, API call here. We can see our API gives us the feel like temperature, for example, also gives us humidity and wind speed, and I think those are the values that we're going to display. So feels like, maybe also pressure, humidity, and wind speed. Okay, so we can update this now. Let's say feels like humidity, pressure, and wind speed, like this. Now you have that updated as well. Okay, good. So let's hit play here and see how everything looks. This navigation works as well. Maybe we want to have a bit more spacing here actually. So and we could also move the city name to the top. Well, actually I like it below, but we need some more spacing here. So let's go to the next 7 days view and put in a spacer here with a fixed height. So let's say frame with a height of, let's say, 50. Yes, this looks a lot better. Okay, great. So next thing, I think the general UI is good as it is right now. So well, maybe we need some more spacing between these things, so maybe let's crank this up to 16. Yeah, looks a bit better now already. Okay, so I think this should be it for this episode, because now I want to focus on adding the icons and adding the API and some logic to the app, and I want to put that in a separate video just to make it easier to find. So that's it for this one, a rather short one, but the next video will be a bit more interesting. So see you in the next one.